Welcome back, everybody. If it's the first time you are here on my channel, my name is Gaetano. I am an Italian living in the USA, in Rochester, New York, upstate New York, and this is my biking channel. So I will share with you my bike ride in Rochester, New York, and around the Finger Lake and the surrounding area. And of course, every time I travel somewhere else with my bike, I will share with you my bike rides. So today it's Easter Sunday, April 12th, and the day is not the best day to go outside to ride. Let's see what the dogs. Thank you. Yeah, it's of course little chilly like always here in upstate New York. So actually, like a couple of days ago, we had a little snow, and believe me, it's frustrating after a long cold winter. I'm waiting for some spring just to get out with my bike. So by the way, I decided anyway that I will take my bike for a ride. So today I don't want to go on the road. I don't know, I don't feel I want to go on the road on the city. I want to just be relaxed with no traffic. So I will ride the bike along the Erie Canal. So I'm entering the Erie Canal on Genesee Park Valley, and I will drive to Fairport, direction east. The Erie Canal, it's amazing. It's a beautiful place to bike the ride the bike, have just a walk with the family, with the dogs, and especially in this moment of lockdown, have just some moment out in the nature and having social distancing, so avoiding people. The Erie Canal is perfect. There are some spots in the Erie Canal that are close to the villages, like Penfield, Fairport. There are places that sometimes are a little crowded because, you know, people are close to home, people, they have parking, they park the car and they go with the family to have some natural moment. But right now it's better if everybody have some social distancing. On your left, okay, he have the headphone. Hey sir, on your left, 8 people with headphone that they are not aware what happened in the surrounding, especially people with bike. I hate people with a bike and the headphone. Hello. So this is the Genesee Valley Park, and this is not far from my house, and I really love this place for various reasons. One, last but not least, it's very close to house. In spring, summertime, I come with my dog. We have very long walking, nice in the nature. It's very well organized with the bathroom. They have this big lodge. You can organize a party, barbecue, or actually 2 lodges big like this, so you can really host a really big party. The Genesee Park Valley, or Genesee Valley Park, go to the other side, actually, of the expressway, and it's huge, bigger. And every year they organize a cyclocross race. It's actually an international event with bikers from all over the world. It's pretty nice. So, yeah, people are shocked, but believe me, it's not warm. Rochesterian people are very fun from this side. When we have some degree more than the chilly winter, they all get out with the tank tops, shorts. Yeah, I still have my gloves and the hat and the scarves. But I guess if you born and raised in a place where the average winter temperature is 25 degrees, when you have 45, 50, it looks like springs. Yeah, little chilly headwind. This is a constant of the last couple of weeks of cycling. I didn't have any lucky with the tailwind. Always headwind. And chilly, of course. So the last long ride, last Tuesday, when I did 71 miles, I went from Rochester to Emily Beach Park. I was underdressed. I saw a little sun and I said, oh, beautiful sun, 60 plus degree. So after a couple of hours biking, the sun is gone and temperature dropped like 20 degrees. And I was shaking cold. I was pushing hard on the pedals, trying to raise my body temperature, but I was shaking cold. I had a lot of fun, of course, but I was cold. I will link down in the comment the video from this 71 miles ride, and I also will put that at a playlist, because the ride, of course, 71 miles was pretty long, so total edited video was 1 hour, so I split in 3 different videos. Oh, there are the tour. Okay. So I guess we have to do the tour. Okay, so at this point I think we have to go to the Costco Plaza. I don't know, we will figure out. So I tried to avoid the roads today, but it looked like it was not possible. go inside. Go back to the canal. But this part of the canal is like a back path. It's actually not the main canal. So I don't know where these things go. Never been here. But it's a look nice place. So there are also, as you can see, a pavilion. So you can come here with your family, friends. Not now. Now you have to stay home or keep social distancing when you go outside. So you can come here and have a little, fun. Just have some grill, barbecue. The kids, they are far from the road, so the kids, they can have fun, they can run. Usually you have to book this pavilion, so there are numbers where you call and you have to pay just a small fee and book the pavilion. And believe me, in summertime, especially weekend, they are all booked. You have to book like 6 months at least in advance. But right now it's off season. I mean, this period of the year you can just go, just walk in and utilize the pavilion with no problem. Yeah, I've been at some party over there a couple of times. Like once was a baby shower actually. My wife forced me to go. For like kid's birthday in summertime. Okay, we are going back in the canal here. From Genesee Valley Park, direction east, after around 7.5 miles, there are the Lock 33. So in the winter time, of course, you can navigate the canal because it's frozen and there are some kind of maintenance, I see. So, but throughout all the canal, there are all those locks. The locks actually, they allow the boats to pass through the different level of the canal. Yeah, the roads, they look pretty desert. So on the way back I can come to the city. I will decide. I will see. And this place is called the Sean Place. It's a pretty nice place with a landing for the boat. They do like tourist touring along the canal. There are a bunch of restaurant shop, coffee shop, gelato shop, espresso cafe shop, a couple of ethnic restaurant, bike shop, but of course everything is closed, and not only because today it's Sunday Easter, but because the lockdown. Everything is a lockdown. Yeah, this place usually it's packed of people, cyclists, family. But today it's pretty deserted. So from Penfield, Sean Place, we will continue the Erie Canal to the airport. So this, starting now, the Erie Canal is all gravel. It's not paved anymore. But it's okay, it's nice gravel. I can go with my road bike. The only thing, of course, is the dust. I have to wash my bike after I go on the gravel, but it's okay.
You know what I mean?
From the Erie Canal, and now we are on the path. They go from Penfield to Fairport. So it's pretty windy, not really cold. I guess it's around 52, 53 degrees. So it's pretty nice. The road still is all gravel, but it's nice compact gravel, so it's actually nice to go. I had to take out my jacket because now the temperature rises, the sun come out, the wind went down. There are just a little nice breeze that actually I like it, and I was too warm with the jacket, so I had to take out the jacket. We are still in the village of Fairport. The canal actually go through the village of Fairport, and this little outlets directly in the canal. Yeah, those are townhouses. I don't know if they are property or they are just for rent. By the way, they have the backyard directly in the canal. So, very nice. I have two thoughts when I saw these houses. One is a mosquito. I don't know how mosquito situation is, but I can tell you, I ride the canal a lot in summertime. Especially the dawn, mosquito situation is pretty bad. Second, also you can see there are people on the back porch. It's the privacy. You don't have really privacy in daytime with the porch on the canal. So it's a very strange weather. Today was chilly, and the look almost, it was almost like a storm or whatever, or strong rain or everything. Certain point the sun come out, it was really warm. Again, this is upstate New York weather. Upstate New York weather is like this. Yeah, now it's again windy. So this is the place where I like to stop, to eat something, drink a little water, just scratch the breath a little bit. Hi.